Hey guys, check out what I got you today while you were at school. It is your dream dirt bike. Let's go and wrap it. Oh, what do you think? Is it a dream or a nightmare?
Halfway, both. Yeah.
Do you know what that is?
Kawasaki?
It is a Yamaha PW80.
Oh, I think
So I picked this up for $300 today down in Milwaukee. You know, right off the bat, it looks a little janky with the spark plug. You might get electrocuted if you touch that area. Kickstarter is missing. No exhaust. Seat looks a little rough. Someone's missing their gas cap off their gas can.
no gas.
We got grips are missing, but you guys want to help me fix this up and get looking nice?
Yeah.
All right, let's get in the garage. So the good thing about this bike, it does run and drive already, so that's good. The bad part is, like I said, it needs some attention to a few items here. So my goal today is just kind of take off the plastics and stuff and see what parts I need, get those ordered up, and then we can get this baby looking and riding good. Let's do it. All right, we got the bike all taken down, all the plastics, kind of cleaned it up a bit. Some of my parts are starting to arrive, so let's go ahead and get those installed. I had to weld up this footrest here, so that's fixed. So let's get at it. All right, we got that new coil. I picked up a new spark plug, and here's a new Kickstarter. So you kick it over. It's got some nice spark on there. I don't know if you can see, so I'm gonna button all that up and we'll move on to the next. All right, a new day and some new packages. This muffler came in. I had to weld on a new bracket right over there, but it should fit up nicely. I did get a new air filter, but that's way too big. I did find this one, so I'm just gonna run it like that. So time to button up a few more things and we can get the plastics back on. All right, let's try this again. This time it's completely done. The boys have not seen it. I did all the repairs pretty much myself. So you want to go and take a look?
Yeah.
What do you think? It kind of looks like a new old bike. So we got those new tank graphics on there, new air filter. We actually have a kickstand now. And then on this side, what did I do? We got a kick starter, a new the new muffler, seat cover. Oh yeah, we got a new spark plug coil, and that's we got some new grips. I couldn't really find a new gas cap, so that we'll have to do. But what do you guys think? You guys like it?
Yeah.
Should want to try to ride it?
Yeah.
All right, want to try to kickstart it?
Yeah.
So it's on. Oh, nice. So yeah, I think it's click it up, and then you want to take it for a ride around the yard?
Yeah.
All right. What'd you think? You like it? All right, you want to give her a try? All right. It's in gear, so you just gotta give her a little throttle. Nice. So what did you guys think?
Good. It was really good.
You like the dirt bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Got her all fixed up and she's ready to ride.
Thanks for watching.